Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a quick tips tutorial on how to add background music. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. Now, the easiest way to go ahead and do it is just to play music in the background and let your desktop audio just go ahead and capture it. But if you want to be slightly more elaborate, maybe catch it on another audio track or something, I'll leave that up to you. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to sources and add an application audio capture. It should actually be at the top. And then you just want to go to your properties. And then from that, just find the application of the audio that you want to capture. For me, this would be this exact page of Microsoft Edge. And then once I press OK, and then press play on that song or whatever, you would see that it actually captures the song on this audio track. Now, I'm not going to play it right now because I'm not too sure about the copyright, and I'll say a little bit of a warning for you. Be careful with the copyright because this kind of stuff gets super iffy with YouTube. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.